Hello everybody, thank you very much for taking the time to watch today's video. I wanted to do something a little bit different today, and that is an open forum where it would be a much shorter video, but I'd like to touch on a topic that's already been covered in one of the lectures, and I would love for you, the viewer, to get involved with the discussion down below in the comments and let me know what you think, and get involved with everyone else who might offer comments as well. And today's topic, I want to talk about space mining. So space mining we covered in a previous lecture, and that was to do with material acquisition and storage. And I'm just going to put up one of the slides now from that video. And this is to do with material acquisition. So some of the different options that we've got here are recycling from Earth or salvaging spacecraft, and then we looked a little bit of the space environment, and space mining is one of these areas that we could cover as a source of materials for an on-orbit manufacture facility. So what I'd like to know is, what do you think about this? Is space mining a good idea? For example, what are your thoughts on it? I mean, would it be better to reduce the pollution on Earth and transfer it to other planets and moons and asteroids in our solar system and beyond? Or would the costs outweigh the benefits? Or do you think there's already too much commercialization of space as it is? I mean, we haven't been in space for very long, but are we overdoing it already? I'd love to hear your views on this, and I would love to hear about what you think of this style of video as in an open forum, which is a shorter version of the lectures. And speaking of lectures and new videos, if you hit that like and subscribe button, then you'll be able to find out and get an alert when I create a new video or a lecture, and then you could learn more about the concept of on-orbit manufacture. But until next time, I look forward to reading the comments below in the discussions, and hope you all stay safe and take care.